Happy morning, students. This is your RVR sir. Today I am going to explain the what we call it as coherence, coherent sources, and the classification of interference. So first of all, we have to concentrate on the concept called coherence and coherent sources. In the previous class, we have already discussed in the case of conditions for interference of light, we have discussed one of the important condition to produce the interference pattern is the two light sources must be coherent. Now, what do you mean by coherence? Coherence is nothing but if any two waves are maintaining some constant phase difference with respect to time as well as space, then those two waves are said to be coherent waves. And the sources which producing the coherent waves are called as coherent sources. So coherence is again subdivided into two categories. Number one, spatial coherence and number two, temporal coherence. What do you mean by spatial coherence? Spatial coherence, the name itself indicates that if the two waves are maintaining constant phase difference with respect to some space, then those waves are said to be coherent with respect to space. Space in the sense distance. For example, if two waves are propagating like this, let us consider a point A and point B. Now, I measured the phase difference of these two waves which are propagating normal to this board plane, or plane of the board. Then, if the phase difference between these two points is constant at some instant of time, let us say 9:15 am, then those two waves are said to be maintaining constant phase difference with respect to some two fixed points. That means with respect to some distance, with respect to some space. Then those two waves are said to be coherence to each other with respect to space. In other words, spatial coherence to each other. That is regarding the spatial coherence. That means if any two waves are propagating in the space, then if we measure the phase difference between those two waves with respect to some distance, with respect to some space, then those two waves are said to be spatial coherence to each other. And then coming to the temporal coherence. What do you mean by temporal coherence? Temporal coherence is nothing but if any two waves are maintaining constant phase difference, either it may be 0 or some any constant with respect to time, then those two waves are said to be what we call it as temporal coherence over a period of time, not an instant of time. For example, two waves are propagating in the medium. One wave is propagating through the point A and the second wave is propagating through the point B. Both the waves are normal to this plane of the board. Then I measured the phase difference between these two waves at some instant of time 9:30 am. For example, the phase difference between them is, let us say, 90 degrees. Then I measured the same phase difference at 10 o'clock, 10 am. 10 am also the phase difference between them is 90 degrees only. Again I measured the phase difference between those two waves at these two fixed points at some 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. also they are maintaining the same phase difference 90 degrees. Again I repeated the phase angle difference measurement between these two waves at an interval of 30 minutes. That is, at 10:30 a.m. it is 90 degrees only. At 11 a.m. also it is 90 degrees only. Again I measured at 11:30. The phase difference between those two waves is same 90 degrees only. Like that I measured the phase difference between these two waves from 9:30 a.m. to till evening 4:30 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. at an interval of 30 minutes time. For the sake of better understanding, I consider this example. That means what happens from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. I repeated the measurement of the phase angle difference between those two waves which are propagating in this phase with respect to some fixed points. Then the phase difference between those two waves is constant over a period of time. Then those two waves are said to be temporal coherence to each other. This is regarding the spatial coherence and temporal coherence. So spatial coherence is nothing but with respect to space. If any two waves are maintaining constant phase difference with respect to some space, then those two waves are said to be spatial coherence. If any two waves are maintaining constant phase difference with respect to some time, then those two waves are said to be temporal coherence to each other. Then if any two waves are maintaining the same phase with respect to space and time, then those two waves are said to be coherent to each other. And the light sources which are producing those waves are said to be what we call it as coherent sources. This is regarding the coherence, spatial coherence and temporal coherence. Is it clear to all of you? Note down it. If anybody have any doubt, then please feel free to contact me. All of you note down it.